So now we are going to solve a system using the addition method, and it's a lot easier to actually show you as I'm going through than to explain it and then show you. So first of all, to begin with, we need to make sure that each equation is in the ax plus by is equal to c. So what that means is any number can be a, but there needs to be an x. Any number can be b, but there needs to be a y is equal to any number c. So both of these equations are in the ax plus by is equal to c form. So now what I'm going to do is the addition method is literally going to add both equations. And to do that, we need to cancel out one variable so that we can solve for the other. So in this case, we're going to solve for y, so we need to cancel out x. Now, we have 9x and 3x. So to cancel out, we need a negative plus a positive. So I need to multiply, and this is easy because these are divisible by 3. So I need to multiply 3x by something to give me a negative 9x. So in this case, I'm going to multiply it by negative 3. So I'll show you over here. I'm saying whatever I multiply the x by, I have to multiply the entire equation. Just one equation, not both equations. So I have negative 3 times 3x plus 2y is equal to 48. So now we're just going to distribute. So we're going to multiply each thing by negative 3. Negative 3 times 3x is going to be negative 9x. Negative 3 times 2y is going to be negative 6y. And negative 3 times 48 is going to give me negative 144. So now I can take in the other equation and add that. So I have 9x minus 8y is equal to negative 24. So now when I add both equations together, I have negative 9x plus 9x, and that's going to cancel that out, leaving us negative 6y minus 8y, which will give us negative 14y. And then I have negative 144 minus 24, which will give me negative 168. So I need to get y by itself. It's being multiplied by by negative 14, so I'm going to divide it by negative 14. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So now I have y is equal to negative 168 divided by negative 14. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. 168 divided by 14 is 12. So now I have y is equal to 12. So I found the first value. We found the value of y. Now I need to find the value of x. And to do that, all we have to do is plug in the value of y back into either equation from the original one. So let's just do the top one. So let's say 3x plus 2y is equal to 48. So wherever there is a y, I'm going to replace that with 12. So 3x plus 2 times y, so we have now 2 times 12 is supposed to be equal to 48. So 3x plus 2 times 12 is 24, is equal to 48. So now I want to solve for x, meaning I need to get x on one side or y on the other. Anything that's being done to x, I need to do the opposite. So x is being added by 24, so I want to subtract by 24 to get it to the other side. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. That cancels it out over here. 48 minus 24 is going to be 24. And we have 3x is equal to 24 still. X is being multiplied by 3, so we want to divide by 3. Divide both sides. That's going to give us x is equal to 8. So now we found the value for x and the value for y, and that is x equal to 8 and y equal to 12. Now you always want to check your answer if at all possible. And to do that, we just take our coordinates, we plug them back into both equations just to make sure that everything works out. So now I'm going to take my first equation, again, 3x plus 2y is equal to 48. Plug x and y into each accordingly, so 3 times 8 plus 2 times 12 is supposed to be equal to 48. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 plus 24 is supposed to be equal to 48. 24 and 24, 48 is equal to 48. So you know that one's correct. Let's take the other equation just to make sure. 9x minus 8y is supposed to be equal to negative 24. Replace x and y. So 9 times 8 minus 8 times 12 is supposed to be negative 24. So 9 times 8 is 72. And then we have 8 times 12. And that is 96. So minus 96. So 72 minus 96 is supposed to be equal to negative 24. And negative 24 is equal to negative 24. So you know the answer is correct.